Welcome, lovelies. It's Sunday again, and it's Couch Talk with Lousje. Welcome, lovelies. So today on the Couch Talk, I've been asked this many times, and finally the day has come that I'm going to talk about how to take care of linen and how to start to love linen. Maybe because there's definitely naysayers against linen. Some of you lovelies don't like it because always the complaint is the wrinkle. And then there's the lovelies that love linen. You're looking at a linen lover, and Tessa as well. That's why we have a lot of linen always in our collection in the summertime. Okay, let's start. So first of all, linen is derived from the flax plant. It's actually the stem. So it's a pure natural product, which is fantastic. So the stem is the product that is being used. It is quite labor intense to make linen as a thread and weave it and dye it and then make it as a piece of fabric that we can make a garment out of. So that's why linen is costly. If you have good quality linen, it's a higher priced item, I would say, in textiles. So the different qualities in linen definitely make the difference in this fabric. So you've got hanky linen, which is the fine linen. It's usually a little bit see-through and used for flowy scarves, skirts, and equally nice in the summertime. We tend, Lousje and Bean designs, I'm wearing the jazz pants. We like the heavier weight linen because it drapes nicer, it definitely wrinkles less. We go for that look more. So I'm wearing the Creases jacket, and the Creasa has beautiful linen. Definitely a little bit of a wrinkle look to it, but not these creases that you are probably thinking of when you think of wrinkles. This is a whole fabric that has a little bit of a wrinkle to it. Because of the thread count in linen, it is a cool fabric. It's known to keep you cool and dry. That's why it's used a lot in fabrics that are worn in the tropics. We in Canada enjoy very hot summers, so it's a very wanted fabric for our summer designs. And Lousje and Bean, from the get-go, we always use linen in our summer designs. The colors also, the colors can be so vibrant, like for instance this jacket, right? It's citrusy, lemony. It's a beautiful color. So what I'm wearing today, actually, this is the linen boxy top from Cut Loose. This is cut in the bias, and we have this in many different colors. It's a proven design that we carry almost every year. Cut Loose also has some amazing pieces in free size, stunning colors like fuchsia, apple cream, beautiful red. And a Cut Loose also has linen pants and a linen skirt, A-line skirts that we have, that we are so fond of. And then Creases has linen pants. Creases mixes linen with silk, mixes linen with cotton. These are fabrics, luxurious fabrics. Absolutely gorgeous fabrics to wear in the summertime. I also wanted to tell you about the care for linen, right? We would wash linen cold. You can wash it in a gentle cycle. I would do it on not a heavy spin. Take it out of the washing machine right away. Do not use a fabric softener because it puts a film on the garment. It's not nice. Dilutes the color. It feels, your fabric starts to feel funny, and it's not necessary. Put a little bit of a shot of vinegar in the rinsing water, and your color will stay vibrant and as beautiful as ever. Also, never, if you have white linen, never bleach it because it weakens the fiber, because it's a plant fiber. What I do with my white linens quite often, I wash it, I put it outside. If it's a sunny day, I hang it out in the sun, and the sun is a natural bleacher. Our mothers use the sun to dry our clothes all the time, and I'm really fond of drying outside in the summertime. Also, the Cut Loose and Creases, they pre-wash and they dye their own fabrics and they pre-wash, so there's no shrinkage. The garments are washed already. This is a very important topic. I realize there's so much to talk about linens. When I travel, and as you know, lovelies, I travel with a carry-on. I always bring a pair of linen Lousje and Bean, usually the Emmy pant. I roll and roll and roll, and when I come to wherever I'm staying, I take it out, I hang it out. I really never have to do anything to it. One of you lovelies suggested to me that you can bring like a little portable steamer, which is a great idea if you would like that. I always use a hot shower if I need to steam something, not to go in it, but I mean, hang your garment in the lock, close the door, let a hot shower go, and then there's a lot of steam, so your garment will relax. If the garment comes out of the washing machine, I always give it a really hard shake, like. And then I hang it up and I take the hem and I kind of go like this. I do the same thing with the cuffs. I take the collar and I go like this. I take this part and this part, and then I hang it to dry. 99.5%, I can put it right back on the next day or whenever I feel like wearing it again. I have girlfriends who love to iron and they say, but I always iron my linen. Fine, you can iron it, it's no problem. You need quite a bit of heat to get to it, which is good. It's safe to do that. Actually, the highest standard on an iron is cotton and linen, so there you go. Other than that, it's easy. Just relax with it and it will relax with you. So I hope you like this segment and you got some tips from it and you grow to love linen as much as we do. I would like to ask you to keep on bringing the questions in. No question is strange or too much or whatever, just bring it in. I love your questions. I love the dialogue we have got going back and forth. I love your comments and we always get very excited about your excitement for this segment, especially Lousje on the Couch. So last week was a great live unboxing from L&B. Wasn't that fantastic? We had so much fun with it. The excitement was in the air and I'm sure we're going to repeat it again. Do a live unboxing. It was a fantastic day for us. And then the other excitement was the new jeans jacket from Liverpool and the jeans vest, really out of the box. We restocked the Gia jeans. That was a lot of fun to do that styling video actually. So watch out, next week we have 2 drops of Versace, new summer designs and collections, great fabrics. And tomorrow is the Golden Oldies from Lousje and Bean, 2 classic dresses that we are bringing back. It's going to be exciting and you're gonna love it. Okay, enjoy your Sunday and as always, keep on smiling.